For months now, we have seen the cases of RSV surging in Colorado and all over the country.
Well, today, some of our state's leaders in pediatric health met with the nation's health secretary to talk about Colorado's struggles to battle the virus.
Dylan Thomas with more now. Dylan, health officials say just as RSV might be peaking, we've got another virus hitting our kids hard.
Jim, you know, for a while there, we were mainly focused on COVID-19 and its impact on young children. And then in August, we saw an unseasonably early return of RSV cases filling up hospitals with pediatric cases. And right as we were hitting the peak of those cases, now suddenly there's been a huge influx, of influenza cases. Now, today, a team of doctors and pediatric health experts gathered at Children's Hospital in Aurora to meet with Health and Human Services Secretary Xavier Becerra. Doctors say there are many days when there isn't a single pediatric bed available here in Colorado due to illnesses like RSV and the flu. In fact, many hospitals are now operating with 30% more patients seeking care than they would in their typical RSV season, which usually starts in January. With the holidays among us and many Americans gathering for Christmas this weekend, Secretary Becerra warned that adults should consider masking up once again, especially if kids are walking around and appear to be sick.
You're going to be surrounding yourself with kids, and if you know some of the kids are sniffling or have runny noses, then it is only smart, not just for you, but for those around you, to be masked so you can be safe. It's not rocket science.
So here's the thing. They're not just running out of hospital beds in many times here in the state, but they're also running out of things like Tamiflu. The pharmacies simply are having a hard time getting a hold of that. That's why the health department is saying that people should be getting vaccinated for things like the flu, and for COVID-19, there isn't a vaccine for RSV quite yet. And they should also be considering wearing masks when they need to or staying home when they have an ill family member, because by doing so, you can prevent the strain that's now going on in the pharmacy world. Reporting live in Loveland, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
All right, great information. Thank you, Dylan. And whether it's your health or any other topic, Dylan Thomas has you covered in northern Colorado. He is your reporter, so call him with a news tip or email him through cbscolorado.com.
The Denver